Hey guys, it's Nick and Cole. What does this look like, Cole?
Looks like Grandpa's running, bro.
Yeah. I forgot to hook up a vacuum line apparently, so it's choking itself.
Kind of. We don't know if that's all a problem.
Well, I mean, it has a rough idle, but you know, at least it drives.
That's like
Just a little bit up. Yeah, we have no brakes, but besides the point, yeah.
That's alright.
Yeah.
Quiet's driving me insane. Silence rattles in my brain. Yeah, I gotta get away. Always waiting for the phone, so I built my towers tall, wandering through these empty halls. Break the cycle now. Walls are coming down. I gotta make it out. Yeah, 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 yeah. Look my fear right in the eye. I just wanna feel alive. I just wanna feel alive. I just wanna feel
That's hot.
Something wrong with the horse.
Something wrong with the horse.
You asked me if we no longer have it?
No, we will have it because you're gonna take a screwdriver to it.
Oh, yeah, you bet your sweet bippy I am.
So, when in doubt, and a misplaced breaker bar, 2-foot cheater bar works good for leverage. I think we got this, Coach.
You look like a diglet.
What?
A diglet.
French toast is a dick.
It's a Pokemon that pops out of the ground.
Oh, the little mole looking
Yeah.
one? Yeah.
Diglet.
So, now we can talk. So, I mean, if you want to explain what's going on.
I mean, we're taking out a gas tank. It pretty much sums it right up. Rusty part. Come.
Bro, there is a hole the size of
Mount Everest.
The size of,
A woman that got a
in
BBC
your
cock
muffler.
in my muffler.
Yeah.
Is that why it's loud?
Partially.
So we're gonna cut it out now.
Cut it out with what, Coach?
We can yank it out, can we?
What?
Yank it.
Build a race truck, they said.
They said it would be fun, they said. Race truck is not fun.
Oh, Coach.
What, Coach?
Oh, no.
Oh no, what?
Kids, always make sure your wrench is going the right way.
Oh no!
I just tightened the ever-living mother trucker.
So problem with horse?
Oh. Oh.
You okay, Coach?
No, I took the cheater bar to the ribs.
Oh, okay. I just want you to fuck me, Jerry. What made you think that was a smart idea? I love you. I like how I'm gonna have orgasm. I'm gonna have to listen to orgasm. Did it come off? Do you want anything under the gas tank or not? not gas tank. Got it.
Oh.
What? Wait, is it leaking gas? Or... Oh! What?
I coach.
Gotta save me from myself. This emptiness, it hurts like hell. My good intentions let me down. I keep getting in my way. My stubborn pride will dig my grave. Please hit me hard with every step I take. Yeah, I'm circling down. Also coming down.
Okay, so as you can see, okay, think. Still gotta get the strap off, but yeah, that is what we're working with. All of it right there. Fun stuff. Put you guys back.
I gotta make it out.
As the camera has seen nothing but my
What?
yeah. Going? Yep. Okay. I know you guys can't see it. I'll see if I can get you. So if you look right down there, and it's, if I can get my hand in there. There's a little thing right down here that we're changing out. It's the fuel pump, fuel sending unit, fuel pump. Unfortunately, I cannot get you guys down in there, so you're gonna deal with me.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Look my fear right in the eye. I just wanna feel alive. I just wanna feel alive. I just wanna feel alive. I just wanna feel alive.
So we're kind of just getting together.
Deprivation.
Yeah.
Sleep deprivation. Sleep deprivation.